Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Thursday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We've had a lot of rain already this morning. It's been weakening as the morning has gone on. Some spots maybe measuring about 1.5 inches in our western counties, and then the totals have dropped off the further east you go. And we should see a lot of that rain fading away by the mid-morning hours, about 9 or 10 a.m. From there, can't rule out some isolated activity as that cold front will be coming on by. You can see some of that there in our northern counties. But for the most part, it's going to be more clouds and sunshine with a lull in the activity until about the mid-afternoon. Then it just kind of depends on where the cold front is at that time. You can see probably moving through most of the area, or at least half of it. And so that should limit the afternoon rain and storm chances to our southeastern counties, south and east of Highway 151 from Dubuque to Cedar Rapids, and then mostly south of I-80 there. That's where there's going to be the real organized rain and the chance for some heavy rain and some gusty winds here this afternoon and this evening. Elsewhere, though, should be just a nice mix of sun and clouds. We'll have just a very slight chance for some lingering rain in our far southern counties here overnight, and same for tomorrow. South of I-80, can't rule out maybe a 20% chance, but other than that, should just be mostly cloudy skies through your Friday. As far as the severe threat is concerned today, it's a level 1 out of 5 risk from Dubuque to about Iowa City, including Washington County. Again, some gusty winds, some heavy rain is what we would see there, but not too concerned about that for today. Now, with the activity that we're seeing and the cold front coming by, dew points are a little bit lower relatively for today and tomorrow, so a little bit lower than yesterday, but still fairly uncomfortable in the low 70s for dew points. So you will certainly feel that humidity out there, but then it starts to climb back. Sunday and Monday, dew points are well into that awful category, and that's going to coincide with temperatures heating up into the 90s. So we're expecting maybe a peak heat index today, about 90 degrees. Same for tomorrow. Warming up a little bit on Saturday, and then back to that dangerous heat Sunday and Monday, where the heat index could peak between about 105 and 110. Those would be Storm Track 7 yellow alert days. So let's enjoy the 80s while we have them. Low to mid 80s out there, which is seasonal for this time of the year. Winds swirling around a little bit. They'll settle in from the northwest late today with a 5 to 15 mile per hour wind and more clouds and sunshine. Most of the rain here will be in our southeastern counties. Tonight, it's a slight chance for rain in the south. Otherwise, lows are in the mid 60s to the low 70s. And for tomorrow, mostly dry out there. Still some cloud cover, still in the mid 80s for high temperatures. Can't really say that we're going to get too hot on Saturday, but just a little bit warmer there, mid to upper 80s. Again, should be a nice surge of rain for Friday night into Saturday. That's going to be more widespread. Could feature some heavy rainfall at times. By Saturday afternoon, that rain will end. We'll have more sunshine, and then we heat up. Temperatures into the 90s Sunday and Monday with mostly sunny skies, feeling like the triple digits, and then more rain after that for Tuesday and Wednesday.